Tired of septic system headaches that seem to never end? If you're a Danville, California homeowner dealing with an unreliable septic system, the Orenco Advantex Septic System could be your solution. Unlike traditional septic systems that just separate solids from liquids, the Orenco Advantex uses advanced biological treatment technology. This means cleaner effluent, better environmental protection, and compliance with strict regulations that matter for East Bay Area septic systems. But here's what really sets it apart: reliability. The Advantex system has fewer moving parts and intelligent monitoring that alerts you to issues before they become expensive emergencies. Most homeowners see dramatically reduced maintenance costs and fewer surprise repair bills. And if your property has challenging soil conditions or limited space, the Advantex offers installation flexibility that traditional systems simply can't match. Clay soil, high groundwater, tight spaces, the Advantex can often work where conventional systems fail. The key is professional installation. At Avalon Rooter, our certified technicians understand both the technology and local requirements. We handle everything from permits to final commissioning, ensuring your system operates at peak efficiency from day one. The Orenco Advantex isn't just a septic system, it's an investment in your property's future. Superior treatment, exceptional reliability, and installation flexibility that works for challenging properties. So reach out to Avalon Rooter today to get started with your Orenco Advantex Septic System in Danville, California. With us, you'll get honest service and amazing septic system results.